Papa sent for us, and my senior brother, Kojogi, is not here yet. Okay, let me see to arrange for them. That is me, Mauno. That, please take it easy. That priest is not in yet.
Papa, good afternoon.
Mauno, Kojogi, I love you too, very well. And you know, I'm of age, and I want one of you who will take care of the kingship from me. And I'm concluding that Mauno is the one who will take care of the kingship.
No, Nana, I'll not allow this thing to happen. I'll not allow my kid brother to take what is mine. We shall see.
Mauno, help me inside. Oh, this girl please keeping me later. Let me hurry up and go and fetch my water. Look at it. Hey, my sister. Oh, don't sister. My sister, I'm sorry. My sister, haven't you heard? Just me. Kokumenu has gone to see my parents for my marriage ride. Really? Yes. I told you. Hey, oh, yeah. Okay, my sister. Haven't you heard? Oh, the king wants to handle his kingship to his younger son, Mauno. Is that true? Yes, so. Really? Yes. My sister, that is not a news, so we all know that his elder son, Kojogi, is stubborn and he doesn't respect at all. Yes, that boy, everyone doesn't like him. Yes, so we shall meet again. I'm going to something. Please, I'm going to fetch the water and the food, so we shall meet again. Bye-bye. Yes, bye-bye. Daddy, Chinya, Nami, Weni Monya, Manumbeka said, Iraki Wayaki. Kwaito, my lovely son, please come.
Yeah, Mama. Now I can see heaven is open. I can see Jesus eating indomie.
My incoming, please have your seat.
Mama, you called me. How do you have for me?
As you all know, your father is planning to give the kingship to your younger brother. Don't allow him. In fact, fight him and take what is yours. Please, there's no. Calm down.
Oh, Mama, you two, this is nothing. You want to take some?
Oh, Kwejoki Elena Ugelo. Okay, I've prepared your favorite meal in the kitchen. Go and take it and eat. My incoming king. Kwejoki. Daddy Chinya. Nowadays, things are not going well in the market. Let me start planting some food crops. Mauno! Yes, ma. Please come. Ma, please, you call me. Please have your tea. You know your father wants you to handle over the kingship. Yes, ma. And your brother is not okay with that. Yes. Everything your brother says, don't talk. Okay, ma. When he fights, you don't fight him. Okay. Are you okay with my advice? Yes, ma. You are a good boy. That's why I love you. I'm doing some small reading at the backyard. Then we go and continue with it. Ma, please, can I help you? I'm almost done. Go and do what we are doing. Thank you, ma. Thank you.
Agree.
We will not allow Mauno to take the kingship from his older brother.
Yes.
It will not happen.
Yes.
We, these two elders, will not sit aloof and let this happen.
Yes.
But
What did you go? You no go agree.
The girl on a bundle.
Are you nepa? My elders, sorry for the smoke. We all know that your father wants to hand the kingship to your junior brother, Mando. This has never happened in this kingdom. What did you go? You no go agree.
And remember also, this kingship comes with many benefits. You must do something.
Yes.
Do something.
I can see you are only the two wise elders from that palace. In fact, if both of you support me to become the king, I'll divide the kingship into two and I'll give both of you half. In fact, I'll rule the kingdom with you. Thank you for your advice.
Nana blow. Nana jo blow. Nana blow. Easy on. Nana blow. Sister.
I go.
Young man, go and remove your footwear before you come in.
Nana, I need your help.
Gentlemen, I know the reason why you are here. Nana Bako, Nana Jablau. Your junior brother, what to take? What is yours?
It's true.
Jenny! Nana! Take this, spread it where your brother normally passes.
Nana, thank you. Thank you, Nana.
And you gentlemen, don't let any eye see this, or else you run mad. Go! Never turn your back. I need to go to the palace right now.
Shit. My junior brother wants to take what is mine. I want to kill him. Somebody help! Somebody help! Take me to the palace. I'll confess.
So what's going to happen? Hey, this kingdom. What's going to happen now?
I'll confess. Adomi, what confession do you have? What's wrong with your leg? I went to the next town to go and take Agba to kill my junior brother. Because you want to take what is mine. And these two elders, Elder Sope and Elder Akli, were supporting me to do what is bad.
Hey, elders!
And my brother were supporting me to do this.
Hey, bad mother.
My brother, please forgive me. I have forgiven you all. And no, you are still my brother. And I hope you are not going to repeat the same thing again. I have forgiven you. Thank you, my brother. You deserve to be the king. You're welcome.
Yes, as we all sing hot and happy to Kwejo. As we all have seen hot and happy to Kwejo in the last poem. He lost the kingship to his younger brother because of his strong-head behavior. This later led to generational conflict. But at the end, Kojovi showed remorse. We all must learn to respect, forgive, and stay in peace with one another. Thank you. Apenam.
Thank you.